Good boy. Well done, Marty. Yes, good lad. We're off for a walk and I thought I would bring you along with me. This is not as good as GoPro. It's a body cam BR1 and it was £209 off Amazon and it records for 14 hours. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. I know it's going to be a little bit bouncy, but it's not meant for YouTube, although I'm going to be doing some YouTube on it because I want to capture Marty and some other things that we're doing. Wait, left. I'm doing a left in front and I'm just walking down my street, straight to the hump. Good lad. Good boy. So Marty indicates the hump by stopping, which I think is very useful because this road has these awful humps. Forward, and if you're not careful you could twist your ankle. Good lad. Straight on. Good boy. Well done, Marty. He's very excited to be going out. Good lad. Well done. There you go. Gets a little treat every time he does stop at the hump. Very nicely. Forward. Good boy. And I think he's excited because he can hear his play bell collar in my rucksack. Straight to the hump. Good lad. And there we go again. Good boy. Wait. Forward. Good boy. Straight. Good boy. So I think this is quite good actually because it records for 14 hours. So I'm really thinking this would be great because there have been a couple of incidences, unfortunately, in Stevenage recently with people abusing me. So I wanted to have something that's going to record for long periods of time. So as soon as I set off, good boy, good lad, straight on. As soon as I set off, I want to record, so I'm always going to have something on camera because obviously having no sight at all, I'm not going to be able to identify the people who are abusing me, and I want to raise awareness that it does happen and it is happening so we can actually nip it in the bud again. Left. Good lad. Well done, Marty. I shouldn't have to live my life through a camera, but it enables me to showcase that it is happening and to hopefully raise awareness and educate people about hate crime. Straight on. Good boy. Because it is an issue and I think it needs to be addressed. And I did start the Respect campaign back in 2014, going into schools, colleges, youth groups, talking about disability, talking about what hate crime is, the effects that hate crime has on a person. Good boy, straight on. So this is why I wanted to get a body cam, and this looked the best one. And actually, one of the really good features is that it has infrared, so it can record at night time and the faces of people will be very clear. And I think that's a really good feature because I'm not just going to be going out during daylight hours. I travel all over and I do go out at night time, so it does give me reassurance and peace of mind. Straight on. Good boy. Well done, Marty. So let me know what you think. Is it quite clear? I know it's going to be bouncy, like I've said before, but it really isn't for the purpose of YouTube. For me, it's just to give me that confidence to go out through the lens of a camera. And if anything does happen, then I've got it here as evidence. And what with Marty's recent dog attack, it would have been great to have that on camera to highlight that these things do happen and how damaging it could have been. Straight on. Good lad. Well done, Marty. Good boy. Straight on. Straight on. Good boy. What? It's a nice day actually. It did say it's going to rain at 4 PM, but how true that is, I don't know. So I thought I'm going to get out early while the sun is still shining and there is a bit of breeze and it's dry. Not that I'm averse to walking out in the rain. Good lad, straight to the curb. Well done, Marty. Excellent. Excellent work. Wait. Left. There we go. Good lad. Straight to the curb. And the reason I did that is because I want to indent a bit, because as you'll probably be able to see that it is on the corner, and I want to make sure that I have got enough time to listen to the cars and they can see me, and that it's a shorter distance across the road. Forward. Steady. Good boy. We're straight. We're straight. Good lad. And wait. I see. Good boy. So I have taught Martin a few French commands, guide dog commands in French, and as you can see, when I asked him to sit in French, he did just that. Didn't you? He's a good boy. Wait. Right. Good lad. Good boy. Find left. Good boy. Steady. Find left. Good boy. Straight on. I might let him off for a little bit. Straight on, darling. Good boy. Find the bin. Find the bin. Let's see if he does it. He hasn't done it for a long time. Find the bin. I think he might be very distracted. Leave it. Sit. That's okay. No, you're fine. Honestly, thank you.
Lily, come here, baby.
Good boy.
Come on.
Good boy.
Come on.
Good boy. That's okay. Marty. Marty. Touch. Good boy. So I am really pleased. Marty, sit. Good lad. There's a lot of activity here in our local park, and this is where Marty had the incident. Being attacked by another dog, and usually he's been quite apprehensive in seeing other dogs, but he's been really good. So this is really good training. Really good training. I did ask him to find the bin, but I think he was more distracted by dogs being around. So I might go back and ask him to do it again, just because I want him to do that. Marty. Marty, heel. Marty, heel. Heel. Good boy. And sit. Good lad. Wait. Wait. Back. Good lad. I'm going to go up here again. And I'm going to reapproach the bin, because I have asked him to do it. Stand. Good lad. Wait. Right. And stand. Good boy. Forward. Marty, find the bin. Find the bin. Find the bin. Where's the bin? Find the bin. He's going to it. He's going to it. He's going to it. Find the bin, darling. Where's the bin, sweetheart? Find the bin. Find the bin. Where's the bin? I'm doing it for some reason. You know me. Find the bin. Oh, isn't there? There's a bin up. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, that's why it used to be here, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
Where it was, and they've dug it up and moved it.
Oh, thank you for letting me know, because I wasn't aware of that. Oh, thank you so much. Not that I need it, but I was just training him to target the bin.
It's either up at the entrance where you just came.
Oh, I know, one's along there, isn't it, I think?
Well, that's inside the play pit.
Oh, okay, so one down that way then? Oh, I think there's one, is there one?
Past it. They've moved them all now.
Oh, had they?
Yeah. So you've literally just got one behind you. You've literally one behind you where you've walked in.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. That's really kind of you to let me know. Thank you, though. Good boy. There's no bin there. That's why you're not finding it. Yeah, he's like, I know it used to be there. Oh, good boy. Thank you. Forward. Hop up. Good boy, Marty. There's no bin there. Hop up. Good boy. Oh, that's why then. That's the explanation, Marty. There's no bin. Good boy. You're working well. Straight on. Good lad. No, not today. Straight on. Good boy. We're straight. We're straight. Good boy. Martin, straight on. Good boy. Straight on, darling. Martin, straight. Martin, hop up. Good boy. Mon cher, good boy. Straight on. Good lad. Good boy. There's no bin there, that's why. Good boy. I'm not sure I can hear a car, but it's very windy, so that can actually I don't always hear vehicles, especially bikes. So I'm always waiting, and I can hear a car in the distance. Forward. Boy, steady, straight. Good boy, straight to the crossing. Straight to the crossing. Yes, good boy. So he sits down nicely on the tactile indication below my feet, and we are going to go to the left, which I'm going to do a left and right. Wait, left. Good boy, and straight. Again, it's always positive, giving the dog lots of praise, lots of encouragement. Again, it depends on each dog. Some dogs don't need loads and loads of talk, but I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes. Marty likes a little bit of both. He likes to work it out. Good boy. Straight to the curb. Straight to the curb. Excellent. Good boy. So a lot of nice positive praise when he does what you want him to do. Good boy. Wait. So I'm just waiting. I always wait for a few moments just to give myself time to think and listen, and the dog time to adjust. And that works for me personally. Forward. Good lad, and straight. Good boy to straight. Good boy. Steady and straight. Excellent work. Straight on. Good boy. Excellent, Martin. Good boy. Straight on. That's the way. Good fella. Good boy. Bonjour. Bonjour. So I'm trying to teach Marty a few French commands, which he's doing really well. And bonjour, for those people who don't really speak French or can't remember their French lessons, it's good dog. Boy, straight on. So I mix it up a bit. He loves to learn. Marty loves to learn. Good boy. Straight on. So I'm going to get to the post, and I'm going to get Marty to find it because he likes to find things. Good boy. Marty, find the post. Good lad to find the post. Good boy. Find the post. I'm probably a little bit premature in asking him to find it, but I'm just giving him the heads up. Find the post. Because I'm not sure in terms of distance how far we were away from it. Find the post. And you'll probably see him nicely going towards the post. He's going to aim to find it. Targeting the post. Where is it? Have you found it? Find the post. Find the post. Good boy. So he slows down, and that's an indication that he is near the post. Good boy. Post. Good boy. So when I first got him, he was a little bit hesitant of going through the alleyway, and I think he actually cut his paws on that. So to make it a really positive experience and for him to actually find something, it gives him focus. Oh, it's really. Did it go down the wrong way? Did it go down the wrong way? I wanted for him to be able to find something positive. So when we come through the alley, he knows that he's going to get a treat.